Hello, hello, hello. How are you? This is Elskimmy from Bean's Crafty Corner, and today, I happen to be at the Dollar Tree, and well, you guys know what it's like. You go to the Dollar Tree, and you just, things happen. So, I went to the Dollar Tree, and I saw this, and I said, you can do something with that. So this is a charger, and if you don't know what a charger is, it's a really big plate. So I found this, and this one is silver. They have them in silver and gold, and sometimes for the seasons they have them, in different colors. But they had it in silver and gold, so I grabbed a silver one. And I was meandering around, and I found this. Ooh, yes, a mirror. So I got that, and then I found some seasonal stuff. So I said, let's do something with this. So we're going to do something with this, okay? So I am going to show you some of the things that I got. Hold on. I'll show you what I got. And this one's going to be for fall because, that's the season. So we grabbed some floors. There's quite a few of them on there for, $1.25. So grab some floors. And I grabbed a couple of these guys because they were cute. And some of those. And then I grabbed some ribbon and I'm going to make a bow. Okay. So I'm going to get everything unpacked here and get the tags off of everything, and I'll be back to walk you through the first part of this, okay? I'll be right back. All right, so most of these things are pretty easy to pull off. You just have to kind of grab them at the base and pull. But when it comes to something like this that's glued on, you're going to want to come up under this with a pair of wire cutters and cut that off so you don't end up with a big hole, okay? So we got all those separated. We're going to use them. And then we have these leaves. Now, if you have the ones that have the kind that have the plastic veins on the back, just grab that and pull it off, and it'll pull right off, and you'll end up with this impression, but without the plastic. Okay? We're going to be using hot glue for this project, and I have a set of battery-operated LED lights that are leaves. Little fall leaves. So I'm going to incorporate those as well. So let's get our charger up here. And I kind of want to have this at an angle so I can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to put all this stuff in a basket, and then I'm going to set this charger up, and I'll be right back. All right, so what we're going to be doing is we're basically going to be gluing all of our things on here, and you can see that they have this like rise in the back, and we want to get rid of that. So you can use a pair of old scissors or some wire cutters, whatever it is. Take that piece off, and we're just going to start kind of put some glue down, and we're staying to the outside, and I'm going to tell you why. Because if we're going to put that mirror in the center here, we want to leave room for it, okay? And I would put that on first, but if I do that, then you guys get the glare of the reflection of the light and all that other stuff. So I don't want to do that. So I'm going to start by putting on the flowers. And then I'll fill in between them with the other pieces. So not too close, but not, not 5 feet apart either. right, so now I have all my flowers on. I did leave a spot at the bottom here, and that's where I'm going to put my bow. See, I'm going to put my bow right here. But I want to dress up the bow, so I have these little guys. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this off. Let me grab my X-Acto knife here. Okay. Should be enough. And it is. So I'm just going to cut that pick off of there. And then I'm going to hot glue this onto the bow. So, bow, hot glue. And I'd say this is probably going to take about 2 sticks of hot glue to do this. And then I'm going to stick this little guy on there. Just like that. And then, of course, I'm going to put this down on here. Okay, so now we're going to start filling. And we do have a few flowers left, so we can fill in a little bit with that. We have some pumpkins that we can fill in with. We have some of these little pieces here that we can fill in with. And we have some little pine cones. And of course, we have all of the leaves. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on the filling in part. So that's it. That's what it looks like. I just kind of filled in any place that I could still see the charger underneath. So like I said, it doesn't really matter what color the charger is. You can even do this on a piece of cardboard if you want to. It's entirely up to you. You could also drill a couple of small holes in the back in order to put a string or something on there in order to hang this. Absolutely. Now, that being said, this is about a 30-minute project. And all you really need is a hot glue gun and a bunch of stuff from the Dollar Tree. I got 5 sets of flowers, 1 set of leaves, a couple of picks, and some bows, the charger and the mirror. I'd say probably right around a $10 project for this. So If you're new here and you haven't done so already, go and hit that button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends, and then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. I go live on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays, and I post videos on Mondays and Wednesdays, and really any other time I feel like it. Let's see, I got 2 things going on in 2022, the first of which is my free classes. Those come out on Saturday. Best way to get information on those is to make sure that you hit the all notifications when you subscribe. And the other thing that I have going on is the 12 of 22 journal challenge. If you're interested in participating in that, you do not need to make 12 journals, but you can hit that link in the description box below, and that will take you over to a slideshow that will tell you everything that you need to know to get you started. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.